Hello there, hi. I've noticed a trend going on lately. The cold water challenge. That's cute. I remember my first challenge. I decided to take it up a notch. Cold water challenge. Boiling water challenge. I'm no scientist, but I'm pretty sure that water is 9,000 degrees. Liquid lava. Fire. Charizard juice. Who challenged me to this? Nobody. Not a single person. Not a soul. I challenge myself. Because that's what you should do too. And who do I challenge? I challenge everybody on the planet. I challenged Rob Ford to do this. I challenged the 1995 Utah Jazz to do this. Greg Oskertag, you're going down. I'm coming for you, Hornacek. I will donate $10 to the charity of my choosing. I haven't decided yet, but I will pay them. Oh yeah. Challenge time!
Oh, it burns. I gotta go to the hospital. Ramen noodles. Now I know how ramen noodles feel like. I'm giving birth to pain.
Da 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 yeah da 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 da. I'm a rock and roller, no fetal stroller, sidewalk surfing.